Hello YouTube, this is Mr. Gadget, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at the Pittsburgh Pro quarter-inch metric socket set from Harbor Freight. This set comes with a nice plastic case. It includes deep sockets and shallow sockets. It also comes with two extension bars and a U-joint. The deep sockets range from 6mm to 13mm, and the shallow sockets range from 4mm to 13mm. I bought this set for around $14 at Harbor Freight with a 20% off coupon. If you guys are looking for a decent set of sockets to keep at home or in your car, definitely give this one a try. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll do my best to answer them.